The state has rested their case in the Kouri Richins trial, day 13. That's right. All of the evidence that the state wants to put in is in. Now it is up to the defense. It's their turn. But what did we learn this morning? Well, there are some sketchy people that haven't come in yet. There's Hayden Jeffs and Mr. Norris has been brought up. Who are these people? Well, they are witnesses. Hayden Jeffs, unfortunately, has passed away, so he can't come in and testify. And Mr. Norris is a character with which the defense had asked for them to go into the Summit County's district attorney's office and make a statement. Both of their statements prejudicial. They were ruled on prior to coming into trial that they cannot testify, but the defense brought it up in their questioning of Detective Jeff O'Driscoll. They wanted to make sure that did he do everything in his power to investigate this case thoroughly. It was the defense's turn to talk to Detective Jeff O'Driscoll, and they were all over the place. They should have asked yes or no questions and gotten to the point, but instead they let him explain away his answers. So everything was just sort of left out on the open. Did you do this? But well, I had all of these other people helping me out, so it wasn't just me. It felt very flat. So once the state rested their case, then it was up to the defense then to argue their motion for dismissal. It happens in every case. Once the prosecution's finished, the defense gets up and says, listen, judge, they didn't prove their prima facie case, right? This didn't come in, you can't use this evidence didn't come in, therefore they didn't prove their case. But it's in the light most favorable to the prosecution. And so typically 9 times out of 10, the judge usually doesn't say that it's a dismissal. He says it needs to go to the jury. They are the finders of fact. So he did. The judge denied the defense their dismissal in this case. So what do we have coming up next? Their court is on a break right now. The defense is up next. Are they going to put on a case? We believe the answer is yes. They stated they have some witnesses coming in already for this afternoon. Will Kouri Richins take the stand? That is the big question. We will find out in about an hour is how long the break is going to be. So if you are tuned in and you like and have subscribed, you will hear the latest tea on this case. So if you haven't, make sure to do that because more is coming up. What is the defense going to put in? What could they do to counteract what the state has already put into evidence? So stay tuned. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to hear more. And a very big happy birthday to my sister. It's her birthday today. She's my #1 fan. So wish her a happy birthday for me. Thank you.